So you just purchased a GROHE Minta kitchen faucet. Congratulations! Now let's install it. Here are a few things to keep in mind before we get started. We'll begin our installation assuming you've removed your old faucet or this is a brand new install. Either way, make sure the surface is clean and the hot and cold supplies are flushed to eliminate any debris. You'll want to gather these items before we start the installation: the spout, faucet body, mounting kit, spray head, quick coupler, and the weight. You will need an adjustable wrench. Also, a Phillips head screwdriver to attach the weight. Before installing the faucet, make sure there's at least 2 5/16 inches from the center of the mounting hole to the back wall. Place the O-ring seal on the sink or countertop, and then insert the hot and cold supply lines through the mounting hole. From below the sink, thread the seat clamp onto the threaded shank, and with the tool, rotate the shank clockwise, threading up the mounting hardware below the deck until the faucet is tight. Now would be a good time to use a wrench to firmly tighten down the faucet. Next, thread the pull-out hose into the spray head. Insert the male end of the hose into the swivel arm and thread the male end of the pull-out hose down into the body of the faucet. Then push the arm onto the spout shank. Next is the quick coupler. Thread the black end of the coupler onto the pull-out hose and just tighten it. Then, pull down on the collared sleeve and push the coupler up onto the mixed water line and release the sleeve. After the hot and cold lines have been properly flushed, connect the hot and cold flex lines to the water supplies. Here's a pro tip for you. Place the weight about 15 inches below the bottom of the counter or sink surface and on the upward loop. Install the weight on the upward loop of the hose. Now it's time to turn on both the hot and cold supply lines and make sure there's no leaks. And would you look at that? Your brand new GROHE Minta kitchen faucet installation is complete.